Agriculture carries one of the highest rates of suicide. Dan suffered with mental health problems, and unfortunately he took his own life in July 2016. Because of the lack of support available for people like him who work in agriculture, I decided to set up a charity to support people. So the course is mental health first aid, which is the generic mental health first aid course that is run all across the world. What I do is I put an agricultural spin on it. So I make sure that we use agricultural references, that we use case studies related to agriculture, and really we kind of use the issues that they face within the training to be able to know how to support them specifically.
So Farming Connect are providing this training to our field force staff so that they are able to recognise the signs of when somebody is suffering from poor mental health, and that they're equipped with the tools and the information to be able to provide referral to those people to the support that's required.
Emma's been very clear to take the stigma away, really. That's, I think, the big message, is to remove the stigma around mental health in agricultural sector.
When farmers are struggling with mental health, they're obviously taking their eye off the role of the farm in producing goods. So if we can try and help them get back to health, then they can get back to doing what they do best.
I'm more confident to speak to people about mental health and how they're feeling.
They're right on grassroots level with the farmers. Now they'll have the opportunity to provide that support and signpost them in the right direction. And so the fact that Farming Connect have taken that on is just fantastic, and I'm delighted to be able to deliver it for them.